offer you the alcoholic sparkling organic cava or the non-alcoholic fresh tropical juice?
Alcoholic.
And I'll come back with some sweet.
Thank you. Cheers.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
The salt. You might want to grab a napkin.
Yes.
I'll assist you with the chocolate.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Let you enjoy that. I have a nut
Love your
allergy.
cute bag.
Thank
Bag.
you.
That's matching Seafire.
Oh.
Kimpton Seafire color.
Pretty.
Nice.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ooh. Pretty. Wow.
Your room, you're facing the swimming pool and the beach here, so
They ate this up.
sorry, is it into the room?
Yes.
Thank you so much. Is that there, right?
Yeah. If you look, I can show you exactly where my room is. You see that wall, and then you look across from it on this wall with the balconies. My room's right there on the 10th floor, 1006. We can see the pool, and we can see a bit of the ocean as well. More bungalows. More cabanas. More pool. And now we're getting to the beach. Oh, let me show y'all a little bit of the pool, how it looks from the front. Because they have this like little shallow area, little waterfall. That's cute. Kids can play out here. They have a lot to offer. Back to the bungalows. Y'all, the bungalows have their own little private pools. Cool. Let me walk a little further on the beach, show y'all real quick. Y'all, so yoga is over. I'm sitting by the beach. Look how beautiful my nails are. Hold on, let me straighten out my pinkies. Yeah, catch the HNY tag, good tag action. I'm out here. The water is so clear, drinking coffee. Let me show you how clear this water is. Like, you can literally see my toes. Like, no joke. I love you here. And the water is warm. At the Kimpton, you can rent like all non-motorized stuff for free. paddle boats, kayaks, water tricycles, scuba gear, all of that type of stuff. You can just come and use it for free. In the nighttime, you can come party under the lights, vibe out here. Thank you. Headed to brunch. We went to the beach. I got some coconut water. I love coconut water. And now we're on our way to lunch. And that wraps up my stay at the stunning Kimpton Seafire Resort and Spa. A few of my favorite things, definitely the beach. It was absolutely breathtaking. I wish I was there right now. The design of the property is so sleek and modern. It's literally gorgeous and the vibes are immaculate. But let's talk value. While it can go for over $1,000 a night, keep in mind it is not all inclusive. I'd recommend visiting during the off season for better rates, but be prepared for the possibility of rain and other weather that might limit your outdoor activities or limit how much time you can spend out on the beach. Make sure you leave the resort. That's a tip I would give. Explore the island, connect to the culture, and keep a heads up because there's a brand new IHG hotel literally right behind the Kimpton Seafire on the same beach. It's the Hotel Indigo. So either way, it's in a great spot, and that one might be a little bit cheaper, but still nice luxury vibes.